Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna do unboxing of the heart bag from 22S. So this is the heart bag and I have one ready to wear. It's not from current season, but I won it before and then I was waiting for sale, but it was not on sale, so I got it. So let me do unboxing one by one. You know, this time the heart bag will be hit. There are so many color and like different style and size for the heart bag. So there is a big size, which is 5,500, and small size, which is 3,400. The big size categorized as a bag, and the small size is categorized as small leather goods. So technically, you can buy both. So I'm actually waiting for one of that, and I got one because one is categorized as bag, the other one is clutch with chain and categorized as small leather goods. So you can get both small size and big size. I was lucky. So I'll talk about it when I open. But before that, let me do unboxing of my ready to wear I got. So let me open. As you know, I love casual style. This one is perfect for summer. I was waiting for the sale, but then it was not on sale. This is from last year cruise season. You saw me trying this top so many times, right? So every time I go, there are only big size. So I was not sure and I was waiting for sale, but it was not on sale. Not all the item leftover will be on sale. Chanel has sale every summer and winter. They didn't add this as a sale item. Size 34 as my usual size. I can match with any jean or skirt, silky smooth. I think cotton. I love this Chanel logo. And it's unbalanced. Front is a little bit shorter than back. You can tie from the back or from the front. The price was 2,900. I wish it was on sale. And size 34. So yeah, this is it. And I got the heart bag. I couldn't believe I could get it because I couldn't reserve. They said it's all booked. Each boutique has a limited number of items coming to the boutique. So they cannot guarantee everyone. You can't just reserve because they have limited item coming to the boutique. So I was lucky to get this. Let's open. So as I mentioned earlier, I was able to reserve different color, different size. But then suddenly I just got text message yesterday and my essay said, would you be interested to buy? And I said yes. I picked up yesterday. I couldn't believe this is so pretty in real. Guess which size and color I got. Let's do unboxing. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my gosh. As you can see, black color. So originally I was reserving small size, which is small leather goods in pink. So I was waiting for it. So I reserved pink color, clutch with chain. So this is a bigger size, and there's a smaller size as a small leather goods. But this one is categorized as bag. So if you wanna buy both sides, technically you can get both because you can get one bag in season, right? And more than one SLG, as I know, in season. So you can get both if you want. So just for your information, I hope I can get small leather goods as well. If I'm lucky to get small size as well, I'll show you and compare how does it look like. But for now, I haven't seen the small size at all. So let me show you. I don't have in real, but like, ta-da! I saw the size in homepage and I measured and made this with just a paper in pink. So this is gonna be pretty much a real size, and this is a bigger size as a bag, small size as a clutch with chain, which is small leather goods. Small size will be pretty much not that small, but then the iPhone, those kind of thing will not fit for sure for the clutch. But this one, I guess iPhone might fit. We'll try. We're gonna see what fits inside. There are at least 4 colors: black, white, purple, and pink. So I thought this is gonna be bigger than the picture, but it's pretty small. Almost regular wallet on chain size, I would say. 5,500 in USA. Small size, 3,400. This is my hand size. And this one is really, really small, like smaller than hand. So let's check what fits inside. So pretty. Like this. Front there is a big pocket like this. 22S, black color, lambskin. The hardware is champagne gold. The back size, there's a small pocket as usual. You can put any like card. The zipper is heart shape. Yeah, Chanel logo here. So pretty, right? So let me open. You can open till this point, pretty much. Yeah, wide open. Inside is like this. I knew it. It's gonna be burgundy or red color inside with a black color outside. It's so pretty. And there's a microchip this side, not the authentication card. There's a 2 pocket, one in here, and the other one here. Kind of red tone lining. Okay, first let's try to put phone. This is the iPhone 11 Max, Pro Max. Yeah, so the size is pretty much big. Wow, it fits. It fits like this. Yeah, you can put small classic wallet as well. It fits. You can close. Oh my god, it's a little bit tight. Yeah, it's a little bit tight, see? So I would say for this bag, you better put card holder with phone. That'll be enough. So let me take this out and put this inside instead. It fits, see? You can put more. You can put car key and maybe lipstick or lip balm or fit. Everything fit very well. There is a iPhone Max Pro card holder and car key and lip balm. Everything fit. This is gonna be perfect grab and go. Let me try iPhone here to show you guys. It's much smaller than this bag. So basically the phone doesn't fit in small leather goods size, but the bag size of iPhone fits. So if you want to put phone, buy the bag, not the small leather goods. So just for your information, measurement, as you can see, iPhone is a little bit more than 6 inch and this bag is 7.1, wider than iPhone. Height is 6.5 inch and the depth is 2.6 inch. So other than these two sizes, there is another small leather goods. There's an arm coin purse with heart shape, $1,925 in USA. And there's a belt bag that's $3,075. And there's a neck coin purse that's $2,625. Up to the country, I'm not sure, like belt bag, arm coin purse, neck coin purse, these are coming in to the USA. It might be different up to the country, but hopefully I can get small size heart, small leather goods as well.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Done staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Done staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to